In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase hosting from Hostinger with a free domain and install WordPress. Whether you're starting a personal blog or launching a business website, this guide will provide you with the key steps to get your site live in no time. First, let's begin by choosing a hosting plan that best fits your requirements. Head over to the Hostinger website where you'll see a variety of hosting options. For those looking to get a great start with loads of features, the premium and business plans are top-notch choices. Particularly when you purchase for a term of 12 months or longer, these plans not only offer fantastic savings, but also include a free domain registration for the first year, a fantastic perk to reduce initial costs. Once you've settled on the right plan, consider opting for a longer hosting period, such as 12 or even 48 months. By doing so, you'll get the most value for your money while securing that beneficial free domain. After selecting your plan, proceed to create a Hostinger account if you're new to the platform, or simply log in if you're a returning customer. You'll enter your billing and payment information during checkout to finalize the purchase. Next comes the exciting part, claiming your free domain. As you proceed through the setup steps, you will be prompted to choose your domain name. This is where you can search and see if your desired domain is available. Once you find an available option, go ahead and register it. Remember, there's one more important step here. Make sure to verify your contact details via email. This is crucial for domain registration and ensures that your domain is officially in your possession. Now that your hosting is up and your domain chosen, it's time to install WordPress, an essential powerhouse behind millions of websites. From your Hostinger dashboard, also known as hPanel, you'll find a one-click WordPress installer. Look for the website or WordPress section, which makes this process incredibly convenient. Starting the installation is straightforward thanks to Hostinger's user-friendly interface. During installation, you'll be asked to configure some basic WordPress details. This includes setting up a username and password for the WordPress admin account. These credentials are crucial as they'll be your gateway to managing and customizing your website. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions to wrap up the WordPress installation. Typically, this takes only a few minutes. Once finished, you'll have WordPress installed, paving the way to start designing your website and sharing your content with the world. And there you have it. You now know how to purchase hosting from Hostinger with a free domain and get WordPress installed. Following these steps will have your website ready in no time, opening doors to endless creative possibilities. Thanks for watching, and happy site building.